The goal of the profile creator is to help new users get started with creating integrations. It helps users bootstrap profiles based on common usage patterns. The profile creator guides the user through the various steps needed to create a profile. At the start of the wizard, the user can pick various ways in which they want to define the source structure. You can upload an example file, or you can also skip this step and set it up manually later. After you've uploaded an example file, you can define the input agents. The profile creator supports the most used and essential ones, input agents, such as AS2, AS4, FTP, and HTTP. For these input agents, the profile creator can be used to immediately configure essential properties. The next step is to define a target structure. This can be based on an example file, or it can also be a one-on-one mapping based on the source structure. The user can also decide to keep this empty and configure it later in the manual editing mode. Once the target structure is defined, we move on to the response units. Here, we also picked the most used ones. You can select multiple response units and configure their most important properties immediately in the profile creator as well. Finally, the user is presented with a summary of each step, where they can give the profile a name and place it into a group. The summary will show the user all the things that have been configured in the profile creator. After finishing the creator process, the user is redirected to the manual editing mode to finish the profile and save it. Here you can see everything which has been created by the profile creator automatically. During each steps in the profile creator, users can switch to the manual mode to continue manual editing immediately.